Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 30th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and I'm on the 1 hour time frame. So the pound yen, overall, I zoomed out a long ways on the 1 hour because I just wanted to show you how overlapping this whole pattern is. When you see something very, very overlapping like that on the sort of time phase, and then you look in the weekly time frame is still in an uptrend, then you can say to yourself that this is very, very likely some sort of a correction. It doesn't really look like a traditional ABC, even though that's what I have it labeled as, and making me think that maybe it's a 333 pattern, three waves of W, three waves of X, and now three waves of Y. Either way, if we start getting breaks of structure to the upside, I would definitely go back to looking for longs because of the weekly, monthly time frame. If we do not get breaks of structure to the upside, I would be recommending shorts. There's no reason to say that this may not make a lower high and keep pushing down. There's really no reason to say it's not over yet. We do not have a breakout structure yet. We don't really have a significant higher low yet. So recommending shorts until we get a nice break above structure. After that, because of the weekly time frame trend, I will definitely go back to looking for logs. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.